Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis the past couple of days, including just yesterday on Tuesday. So that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And the main, update's probably not the right word, but point of confirmation that comes into play here is in regards to this area of support down here at the dollar mark, which I talked about previously and mapped out that green line. And you can see that this morning on the gap down, the price actually did pull back a little bit more, but didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree got close enough. And once again, that dollar mark did indeed hold as support. So good sign of strength there that this level continues to hold up. And the one thing, and I'm not saying, this is a guarantee of anything, but the one bearish dynamic here that's definitely made itself very clear is that there's selling pressure that has shown up. And I get it, selling pressure, those are just words, that's just a phrase. But that's why I love charts, because they allow you to take phrases and take words and actually just make them more visual. So when I say selling pressure, the very visual sake of that selling pressure is via this trend line here, which in technical jargon is just a downtrending trend line. So this orange line here, again, I'm not saying that implies that this thing's headed down to 50 cents, but it's very apparent that since early yesterday on Tuesday, there has selling pressure that's shown up and has slowly been pushing the price lower and lower downwards. Good news is the price isn't that far below that trend line, so it's not unreasonable to think that the price could, consolidate out and then get a high volume break of that level. And if that is the case, then that's where you can start to turn your focus back to that $1.40 mark, which is the overall area of resistance. But my point right now is, really putting any focus on $1.40 up there as resistance, probably a little bit premature, because first, let's see if the price can even break above that trend line right there in the near term. But all in all, the chart's hanging in there. Some selling pressure is definitely showing up, but we'll see if things can get turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.